हाय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे जो सेकेंड यूनिट चल रही थी फीडबैक एंड फीडबैक एम्पलीफायर्स की, उसके अपन कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स डिस्कस कर रहे थे। आज भी अपन 2 न्यूमेरिकल्स डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। आई होप आपने पीछे वाले न्यूमेरिकल्स को सॉल्व कर लिया होगा अच्छे से। और अब अपन हमारा जो आज के जो 2 न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं उनके बारे में बात करते हैं। जो सबसे फर्स्ट अपना न्यूमेरिकल आज हमें दे रखा है वो है द गेन ऑफ एन एम्पलीफायर विदाउट फीडबैक इज 100. By negative feedback it reduces to 80. Find the feedback ratio. So to calculate the feedback ratio we have to use the formula, and I already told you that कि आपको कोई भी न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करना हो, उस न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करने के लिए वी हैव टू नो व्हाट इज़ द कंसेप्ट बिहाइंड दैट पर्टिकुलर न्यूमेरिकल। उस न्यूमेरिकल के पीछे जो अपना कंसेप्ट क्या है वो अपने को ध्यान होना चाहिए। सो वी कैन सॉल्व दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन। तो अब सबसे फर्स्ट अपने को हमें ये देखना है कि अगर मैं हिंदी में इसको बताता हूँ आपको, तो अपने को इन्होंने बोला है कि उस जो आपका प्रवर्धक है उस प्रवर्धक का जो गेन है आपका वो कितना है, 100 है विदाउट फीडबैक, यानी कि फीडबैक का भी यूज़ नहीं करा है। और उसके बाद में बाई नेगेटिव फीडबैक इट रेड्यूसेस टू 80। अपने को पता है मोस्टली वी आर यूजिंग नेगेटिव फीडबैक फॉर फीडबैक एम्पलीफायर। तो यहाँ पे अपन क्या कर रहे हैं, नेगेटिव फीडबैक का यूज ले रहे हैं। और ये कितना रेड्यूस हो जाता है, इट रेड्यूसेस टू 80। तो अगर ये 80 तक रेड्यूस हो जाता है देन वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द फीडबैक रेशियो। सो सबसे फर्स्ट अपन यहाँ पे राइट डाउन कर लेते हैं कि अपने को गिवन क्या है इस पर्टिकुलर न्यूमेरिकल के अंदर। आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट कि वी हैव टू यूज लैंग्वेज इन एवरी क्वेश्चन। सो सबसे एट फर्स्ट हम यहाँ पे राइट डाउन करते हैं कि द गेन ऑफ एन एम्पलीफायर विदाउट फीडबैक। सो विदाउट फीडबैक गेन ऑफ एम्पलीफायर which is 100, and after using negative feedback gain is equal to 80, because it is already mentioned in question that it reduces to 80 by using negative feedback. Then this is A and this is AF. Then find the feedback ratio. So now we will write that we have to find feedback ratio, and we use the symbol for feedback ratio which is beta. So according to the formula in this numerical we have to use the formula that which is AF is equal to A divided by 1 minus A beta, where A is the gain of amplifier and beta is the feedback ratio, and AF is the gain after using negative feedback. Okay, then now putting values in formula. Here the value of AF is 100 and value of here the value of AF is 80 and the value of A is 100. Then now putting the values of these particular, so the value of AF is 80 equal to A 100 divided by 1 minus A which is 100 and beta which is we have to calculate. Okay, then I am going to multiply this with this. Then 1 minus 100, this is going to be 1 minus 100 beta, and 80 equal to 100. Then I will divide this in that 1 minus 100 beta equal to 100 divided by 80. 0 0 cancel out. Then I am solving this here. 1 minus 100 beta, 1 minus 100 beta which is equal to 10 upon 8. Then I am sending this value to that side and I am taking this value in this side, then 1 minus 10 upon 8 which is equal to 100 beta. After sending that in both sides, we just exchange the values in these sides, then now multiply 8 with 1. That means you can take here LCM, which is 8 minus 10 divided by 8 which is equal to 100 beta, and we'll get here 2 minus 2 upon 8 which is equal to 100 beta. To calculate the values of beta, we have to send this particular 100 in the multiplication of 8. Then I am solving this here, then minus 2 divided by 8 multiply by 100 which is equal to beta, and then minus 2 and divide by 8 multiply by 100, and we will get here value of beta. If we divide minus 2 by 8, then we will get 0.25 divided by 100 which is equal to beta. And now removing this decimal value, then we will get here 25 divided by 100 and multiplication of 100 by removing that beta. Now if we want to solve this, in 25 multiply 10 to the power 4 0 0, and there are 4 zeros, so we can write this 10 to the power minus 4 when we will send this value in denominator to numerator, which is 10 to the power minus 4 and is equal to beta. So here we get the value of beta, which is 25 multiplied by 10 raised power minus 4 which is equal to बीटा. सो इस न्यूमेरिकल को सॉल्व करने के लिए हमने क्या लिया था, एम्पलीफायर का गेन लिया था विच वाज 100, एंड after using negative feedback we will get here the gain which is 80, and then we have to find the feedback ratio which is beta, and to solve this, to solve the value of, to get the value of beta, we have to use the formula AF is equal to A upon 1 minus A beta, which is the relation between the using feedback gain with using feedback and the without using feedback gain, and beta is the feedback ratio. So now putting the values of these AF and A, will get here 80 multiply A is equal to 100 divided by 1 minus A beta, then in the last we will get the value of beta which is 25 multiply 10 to the power minus 4. In your book this is the value is 2.5 multiply 10 to the power minus 3, जो आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाती है किससे, अगर आप यहाँ से -4 को और एक जीरो यहाँ पे सेंड आउट कर देते हैं तो. सो दिस वाज द न्यूमेरिकल, देयर वाज अ नाइस न्यूमेरिकल. So solve this numerical in your rough notebook after understanding from here. So next numerical is for an amplifier A is equal to 60,000 and AF is equal to 1,000. Determine the negative feedback. The symbols have their usual meaning. That means कि all these AF are the as well we discussed in our previous topics. So here A is the gain without negative feedback or without feedback, and AF is the, what is the AF? AF is the feedback after using negative feedback. AF is the gain after using the negative feedback. So just write here what we are, the given values, given gain of amplifier without feedback which is 1000, which is equal to AF, sorry, which is equal to 60,000, because AF is the voltage gain after using feedback. So here 60,000 is the value of A, which is the gain without using feedback. Okay, now the value of voltage gain after using negative feedback, which is AF. After using negative feedback, voltage gain, which is AF, which is given us 1000. Okay, So now we have to determine the negative feedback. That means कि we have to calculate the feedback ratio. So we have to find feedback ratio. What we have to find? Feedback ratio. Feedback which is beta. So here we can see this question and this question is pretty similar to us. So here we have the value of A and AF. In that question we also have the value of A and AF. Now here we have to calculate the feedback ratio. Here we have to calculate the negative feedback, which is also known as feedback ratio. Then we have to use the same formula which we used in this particular question. So the formula to calculate the feedback ratio or negative feedback, we can also call this negative feedback. So the formula which we are going to use is AF is equal to A divided by 1 minus A beta, which is the relationship between AF, which is the voltage gain after using negative feedback, and A, which is the voltage gain without using feedback, and beta is the feedback ratio or negative feedback. Fine. So now putting the values of these particular things, now putting the values in formula. So after putting the values of in formula, that AF is equal to, here we know that AF is 1000, which is equal to the value of A is 60,000 and 1 minus A is 60,000 and beta. Fine. Then we have to multiply this with this, and 1000 multiply by 1 minus 60,000 beta, which is equal to 60,000. Fine. Now send this 1000 in that side. 1 minus 60,000 beta is equal to 60,000 divided by 1000. Fine. After removing these 3 zeros, then we will get here the values. I am writing this here. 1 minus 60,000 beta is equal to 60. I am sending this value to that side, minus 60,000 beta, and I am taking this in this this side. Then 1 minus 60 is equal to plus 60,000 beta, because here we send that value to that side. After sending this value that side, this minus will become plus, which is going to be positive. Then this is going to be minus 59 and this is 60,000 beta. Then minus 59 divided by 60,000, after sending this value in that minus 59's denominator, which is equal to beta. Then we can write this 59 divided by 6 multiply 10 to the power. We can after changing these zeros in 10 to the power, then we will get here 10 to the power 10 to the power 4. After dividing this minus 59 from 6, we will get here 9.8 multiply 10 to the power minus 4, which is the value of beta. So in this particular question we are used the values of A, which already given to us in this numerical, and the value of AF, which is the negative feedback voltage gain. And to solve this particular numerical, we use the formula AF is equal to A upon 1 minus A beta, which is the relationship between AF, which is the voltage gain after using feedback, negative feedback, and A is the voltage gain without negative feedback, and beta is the feedback ratio, which is also known as negative feedback. Fine. Then after putting these values, we will get here beta, which is the value of which is the value of feedback ratio, and the value of beta is minus 9.8 multiply 10 to the power minus 4. So we solve these particular numericals from your unit second, which was feedback and feedback amplifier. So मिलता है नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिजिक्स सीखने के लिए. तब तक के लिए कीप लर्निंग, कीप ग्रोइंग. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. इफ यू डू लाइक दिस वीडियो, share with your classmates, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.